I'd like to demo some new accessories that taught my 10-year-old COBB grill some new tricks. The new kettle acts as a charcoal starter and a rocket stove. It gets my coals hotter and ready faster than ever before. The new wide charcoal basket lets me add a bit more charcoal closer to the heating surface. The cover helps heat up my new grill grate. The new adjustable lid allows temperature adjustments. Thanks to my Stanley coffee press, I can have a drink while I make a meal. With the grill grate and larger basket, I can better direct grill a steak. The outside of the grill still remains cool to the touch even with the additional charcoal. The grate can be reversed and used as a griddle. Here it is 45 degrees outside, but I can heat my COBB to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, even with the extension ring. Accessories like this frying pan can easily be swapped out while cooking. These are easily the best burgers I've had on the COBB. To end grilling, I remove the grate and dump my charcoal into water. I am by no means an excellent cook, but the new improved COBB grilling system helps me make an excellent meal wherever I go.
Is it good?